Going at him, man. Yeah, he's ripped ass. Look at his tries, man. Kung siya na ba, Jace? Ayan, si Bayaw. Natandaan niyo ba? Si Bayaw.
Bayag.
Bayag. Bayaw na bayag.
Bayag.
What you doing, mate?
I'm just staying cool, mate.
You're like a shokoy. Sirena.
Aurora capre.
Buda Capre. Mabuhay Pilipinas! Nandito kami ngayon sa Baler or San Luis, Aurora Province. Kasama ko yung misis ko at buong family ng ng kapatid ng bayaw ko. Ayan, so ang pangalan niya si Tim, ikakasal na siya sa isang taga-Australia. Oh! Oh! Right! Come Dad, do a front flip, mate. Delayed front flip.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.
Ito yung ikakasal. Ayan, si Tim says, yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, ito yung bride to be. Alaka, Breanna. Anong IG mo, Breanna? What's your Instagram?
It's Breanna, BREA__Lee 97.
Ayan, follow nyo na yan. Sim, kumusta ang feeling mo? Ikakasal ka na sa isang Australiana. Oh.
Sa akin naman wala naman po sa akin yung mga ganun-ganun. Swerte lang po siya sa akin kasi alam mo na po, pogi po tayo.
Ay?
Galing po tayo sa magandang lugar tulad ng Baler.
Ayun.
Alam po kayo dito. Tulungan ko po kayo mag-surf. Sa surfer po ako, kita mo naman sa kulay, sa kapugian.
Ayan. Mr. Suave. Yun na.
Hi!
Hi. Hi everyone.
Bye. Ito yung best man sa wedding namin, si Adam. Wedding namin? Wedding natin, na si Adam. Ayun, best man. Shut up. What are you gonna say in your speech, dude?
When Tim first got here, he thought he was lapiting ng mga babae, but he was only just malandi.
Alright everyone, you're now famous on YouTube. This is Tim and Men's. Hit him up in Beano for a heck. Mate. The rest of the gang with Breanna.
We all died because Tim's driving.
So Shanta, ang ganda, di ba?
Kagaya ko.
Yeah.
Joke lang, huwag kayong mainis sa akin.
I always sit out on men.
Friggin' beautiful, man.
Ito ang ating maputing kapre. Maputing kapre.
Yeah. Waterside capre. We love the water, but the puts out my smoke.
Mana?
Magpe-prepare kami ng tanghalian sa kaunayan naman.
Ganun.
Doon tayo kakain.
Sige ba? Ang buntis Naghiking sa bundok.
Hala. O nga, ikaw yung papagalitan ng netizens.
Sino ang papagalitan dito? Ako o si Shanta dahil Naghiking ang isang buntis. Sobrang dami ng mga kasama namin. Halos lahat ng pupunta sa wedding bukas ang nandito sa Baler. So be Dad and Adam's first time at the waterfall dito sa Baler, Aurora. And Shanta as well.
A new species we've discovered here.
What's that, mate?
We've got the regular land capre. He's like the bearded dragon, the water capre.
The water capre.
Picture ako dito ha.
Here we go. Diwata. May diwata sa bundok. Oh, Shanta. Mos yan.
Kain na tayo.
Ganun ba? Malapit na. Konting lakad na lang. Ang
Pinagpawisan na.
buntis na diwata.
Boteteng diwata.
Ay mo. Yeah, bro! Hey! Yada mo. Ano kaya ang itsura pag mag-drone tayo? Tingnan natin.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.
Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you. What you say I do?
Those are a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom, everything to me. I wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than your
Aurora Province, Baler. Ladies and gentlemen, eto siya. Shanta, we made it.
Ganda! Tingnan mo!
Alright mga pre, mag-swimming na ako. Swimming na ako dun.
Thank you!
Eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila, and what I have for you is forever. Just let me get laid. I'm more than you'll be the only one. I gotta go.
Uy, tayo ka nahulog!
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Let's count that money. All right, now, gentlemen who don't speak Tagalog, the word money in Tagalog means peanuts. You have won peanuts tonight, gentlemen. Money, money ang premium nyo. Wow, how much money is that? About 100, yeah?
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Ako di ay si Dwayne. Ug na ako'y Phil Talk.
Magandang Phil Talk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
If you sign up with a free account, you get to do things like post your status, add friends, join groups, and really connect with the Filipino people.
And if you sign up for a premium account, you get all of that, plus full access to a Tagalog program and a Visayan learning program.
PhilTalk is a way for foreigners to connect to the Philippines and for Filipinos to connect with foreigners.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.